Hello everyone, welcome back to Jobs with Education channel. Today I will discuss about 10 most important website that pay you daily. You can work there, you can use your time to work there and like to done some task and see photos, sell photos as well. I will elaborate with you in a proper format with the website as well, that how you can reach out them, and also I can share with you that how you can sign up there and do your task and a lot of monies from website. Firstly, before we go, I request you, if you are new on my channel, so you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it, Jobs with Education, and click on bell icon and click on all notifications, so it will be better for me or us like to share our videos to you, and you can quickly get my videos early. Or except that if you didn't see my channel, so you can just write on there like search for Jobs with Education without any space, so you can see my channel on a first list, Jobs with Education, and you can see my all videos in a one playlist as well. So let's move towards websites that I am going to discuss with you. The most important website that pay you daily, you can work there, and it's depend upon your interest as well. Like the first one is Fiverr, and Fiverr is like beneficial for everyone. If you are a graphic designer, photo editing you can do, a video editing you can do, you can like do a freelancing work as well, and you can do any task. It's depend upon your field, like you do assignments, physics assignment, math assignments, any project, computer science project, or etc. as well. Let me show you, and I will also elaborate with you in a just proper format that how you can do as well. So this is my Fiverr account. You can just go there, just sign up with your email and with your phone number as well. So this is my Fiverr account, and here you can see there are a lot of gigs as well. If you heard the name of gigs with your friends, so like depend upon your work of interest that you are selling, like you work on SEO programming, you work on graphic designing, you work on pictures, you work on writing, you work on like anything else or as well. So here you can see I moved toward the selling page, switch to selling, and here is my profile, and you can see that I am working on like programming subject as well, and on there like mathematics and physics, etc. So you can see a lot of things as well. You can see their gigs that you made. I made a programming gig, and also if you want to like, if you are buyer, you want to get a work, so you can do as well there, like to create a gig or search a gig on there. By creating a gig, you can mention your like price. If you're working on like which currency, on a dollar, you can mention that $500 for one website and $200 for another. So it will be like better for you to contact the customers like in a message section and done their work within the time and get a lot of price from them. So that's it. And the second thing is I want to discuss with that is like Upwork. Here not mentioned, let me discuss with you Upwork. And Upwork is also a freelancing website, and here you can see that, let me open it, Upwork. Here you can see in demand talent on demand, Upwork, and you can work on like different like projects on web, mobile, design, custom services, data science, marketing. Here you can make a profile on that and definitely contact with the customers and like mention the price, and if you are agree on the same price and customer is also agree, so definitely you can be able to done the work and get the price within the time. So this is basically a third party website that like get the money from the customers and like pay to you after you work done. So let me show you that they have a lot of like different profiles, and as well as that how they work. So you can also see that custom service. If I want to open the mobile development, Yeah, there you can see that lot of profiles they are mentioning, and with their price like $80 per hour. Is a Thomas is a someone like who is working on their iOS developer and video or editing as well. They are working video and audio editor in there. So on their Upwork side, you are working on different skills. It's depend upon your skills as well to work on that, and you can mention the hourly rate price on that as well. So this is the best website for like freelancers or the computer science or software engineering persons who are working on that and they have a skills, so they can definitely work on that and get money. Like they're working $500 per hour, or sometimes they're working more than 500, or like I can say $800 in 1 to 2 hours, and this is the biggest money they can earn that. So the second I can say the third website is Snapwire. Snapwire is also popular like for the smartphone photos. You can like sell them online. You can request with your customers, request with the clients to like if they like your pictures, so you can send them and like they will pay you on that picture as well. Let me show you a Snapwire website that how it look like. Definitely it's the best idea for the graphic designers or the person who is like to capturing the pictures like for the cookies, for the outings and for the grocery as well. So if someone likes your picture, so you can like sell them online and they will pay you definitely just creating your account. Like here they mentioned that brief development brief your online and budget, and like assign and downloading the lot of pictures, and you can upload there as well and earn from their customers with their biggest price if they like your videos or like pictures on that. So the next thing I want to discuss with you is like Udemy. It's most popular. Everyone knows that a lot of students done their certifications from online from Udemy. Here you can make a combinations of courses, like if you're a programmer or web designer or anything etc like marketing. So you can make courses and you can make a like I can say playlist of the courses, and you can upload there online. And if the person or the students who want to do a course, so Udemy will pay you like $8K I can say, or 12M for the students if you are running on that. And you can also see that there are a lot of courses listed there, and lot of like persons running from their like I can say courses and also earning from their website. For example, I can say if you are programmer student or if you are programmer teacher, so you can upload a course of programming on that, and students are coming here and download your course and done your course. So Udemy will pay you on for that course, and this pay will be a lot of high. It's like Coursera, you can say that there are a lot of websites and lot of I can say courses available on that, depend upon your field, business, photography, development, marketing, and lot of etc other courses as well. So just go there and upload and I can say explore there, and if you like just upload their courses and earn money from them. So the next thing is I want to discuss with you is user testing. This is the most popular and effective website if you are a lover of user testing, like for the QA techniques and so automation techniques. So it will be a good for you to spend 20 to 30 minutes on the website, and they have lot of testing I can say techniques or testing task on that. You can do the task and get the money from that. For example, they mention I can say testing of any website, so you can test that and run some scenarios and test their website, and after they can pay you of that website that you tested, and you can make a report on that and send to them as well. So here you can see there are mentioned that platforms inside core marketing. There are different platforms there mentioned solutions, like they are working on product space design, marketing executives, and other projects as well. Just it will help for the user testing purpose, that who are their quality assurance or testing persons they can test their applications or website depend upon their like criteria. The other thing is FOP. FOP is also most popular. It's like that I already told you. You can sell your like mobile photos, you can capture it, high quality pictures or videos from that. If you like that, they will pay you $2 or $5 for that pictures if someone interested on that. IEM is also a same as Photolab. You can also upload a lot of photos there and you can sell them. Like that I already told you, you can share the HD pictures, high quality pictures, and you can sell them with mention their price. That's this picture, hi, this picture is $5. So you can, if you want, so just give me a money so I can give it to you. So if someone is interested, so they will give you a $5 and you can like send them a picture on that. So the most important other website is, let me show you, Market Force. It's also important. Personalize lot of things, like if you are like a shopping tip as well while doing the shopping, or you can also use the credit cards while shopping there. So this is also a, like I can say, the services provider website. They can provide a lot of services, like if you want to purchase something, they provide you services and they will give you a tips of some charges, and you can save them as well. So then next important website I want to show you, the Funds for Writers. This is the most important website for the writers who love writing and they love content writing as well. A lot of guys doing that, like doing a blog and website writing as well. So from that website you can write 500 to 600 words and they can pay you $60. Sometimes I see that for 10 to 20 words they can also pay you $50. This is the biggest amount. So you can be a good proficient in English, and as well as if depend upon the customer on which language you want to write from you, like to make a blog or like write the website on that. Let me show you Fund of Writers website, that how it's look like. So here you can write the blogs and you can write the other websites as well. There sometimes the client mention on that, so after it will check that there are a lot of good words in that and it's the good content, so definitely they will pay you on that. So the next and last website is most important, is People Per Hour. It's like a freelancers website that I already told you. It's a Fiverr or Upwork, but you can also mention hey, I want $50 per hour. So you can do the any project like web or photography, or if the customer wants your 1 hour, so definitely they will pay you $50 on that. So you can also mention that I want $50 or $30 per hour, so definitely it will be help for you to save your time and earn money on like within the time as well. So this is a 10 important website that I have already discussed with you. They will help you properly to get and earn a lot of money per day, and you can definitely easily do your task depend upon your passion and interest on that. I hope this video will be helpful for you to save your time and to work on that. Just create an account, go there, make a gig and make a profile on that, just work on that and earn money a lot. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is the important section. Without subscribing you cannot be able to see my latest videos on that. So subscribe it and see you soon. Thank you very much.